ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to use the triangle exterior angle theorem in order to find an unknown value. So let's begin. Okay guys, so this problem on the right is the one that we're going to be doing, and that up there is the triangle exterior theorem. This theorem basically says that the measure of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measurement of its two remote interior angles, right? So in this case, the measurement of this angle is going to be equal to the measurement of 3 plus the measurement of 2, right? So if we had the extension of this and we wanted to find this angle, is going to be equal to this angle plus this other angle, right? So it's going to find the two remote angles and it's going to add it, right? And why does that happen? That happens actually because whenever we have the measurement of the three angles inside the triangle, they are going to be supplementary. But also, the exterior angle is also going to be supplementary to the one inside, right? So we're going to have the same thing over and over again. So let's say we wanted to find the value of x, right? So there's actually two ways in which we can do this. The first one, and the easiest way, is using the triangle exterior angle theorem. So the measurement of angle, let's call it angle A, let's call this angle B, let's call this angle C, and let's call this angle D. So the measurement of angle A, because of the triangle exterior angle theorem, is going to be equal to the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle D. I'm going to move this a little bit so that you can see. And we're going to see that the measurement of angle A is going to be equal to 64 plus 72 degrees. So the measurement of angle A, or x, is going to be equal to 64 plus 72, right? So that means that it's going to be 136 degrees, right? That is one way to do it. The other way in which we can do it, which is sometimes the most common way, but that doesn't mean it's the most efficient way, is that we can actually find the angle here, right? So because we know the triangle angle sum theorem, we know that that angle there, which let's call C, the measurement of angle C plus 64 plus 72 is going to be equal to 180, right? So the measurement of angle C is going to be equal to 180 minus 72 minus 64. So the measurement of angle C is going to be equal to 44 degrees. And now because we know that C is 44 degrees, and we know that C and X are supplementary, we know that X is going to be 180 minus 44 degrees. And that is going to be equal to 136 degrees, right? So that means that X is 136. So as you can see, we can either use the triangle exterior angle theorem, which is the most efficient way of doing this problem, or if you don't remember that, you can actually first use the triangle interior angle theorem and then use the supplementary angle outside to find the answer. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!